Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a thermostat. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, pliers, and a suitable drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. The thermostat housing is typically found where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine, often requiring some components to be moved for access. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's drain the coolant. Position a large drain pan directly beneath the radiator drain cock, which is usually at the bottom of the radiator. Carefully open the drain cock and allow all the coolant to flow out into the pan. This step is crucial for preventing spills and ensuring a clean workspace. Make sure to dispose of the old coolant responsibly after the job is done. With the coolant drained, you can now access the thermostat. Disconnect the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. Then, unbolt the housing itself, usually held by 2 or 3 bolts, and carefully remove the old thermostat and gasket. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly. Install the new thermostat, ensuring it's oriented correctly, and use a new gasket for a proper seal before reattaching the housing and hose. Finally, reattach the radiator drain cock securely. Refill the cooling system with the appropriate amount of new coolant, typically around 6 to 7 quarts for a full system. Start the engine with the heater on high and allow it to reach operating temperature, watching for any leaks and bleeding air from the system. Top off the coolant as needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.